I got some deliveries, and this time it is from Aromantico Essential Oils. Aromantica Essential Oils is crafted or blended by a certified aromatherapist. That is why mura dili na gyud sila basta-basta mamaligyaw essential oil. Instead, they would educate you and find the perfect blend and scent for you. The scent of that essential oil that is really needed by you and perfected para nimo. That's what I am having here are my 4 essential oils. What I have here is what's this? Ginhawa. Oh, it's really like an inhaler which is made up of peppermint, lemon, and balsam fir. So if ever mikibaw mo sa koka-addict nga nadyo ko inhaler nga dala-dala all the time. And the second inhaler I have here is Pasqua. Oh, this is the scent that they really take pride of. And yes, pag open pa lang humot na dyan siyang Christmas because na coffee, orange, na cinnamon. Oh, Christmas feel kayo. And now I am having their pure single essential oil blends. And I think iba ko unsa gyud ni siya. It is their lemongrass. Yes, adik kog lemongrass nga essential oil, guys. If ever kailan mo nako moduol mo nako nanimaho jud kog lemongrass. And lastly, I think mo gyud ilang bestseller nga ilang di take pride of mao kani ang ilahang money magnet or Haute Bourgeoisie. Feel gyud nako halat me wait hantud ma-open nako siya. And yes, dugay siya maabli no. And yes, it is their Haute Bourgeoisie or their money magnet. Well, I don't have to explain further. This is something that would really attract money. But then again, guys, always remember to brush your teeth after eating and to follow me in all my social media accounts. And let us continue to stay safe, stay healthy, and just keep smiling. Bye-bye.